Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's step in the world of exquisite craftsmanship with our latest YouTube video on the beautiful and unique bracelet designs. So let's discover a stunning array of meticulously crafted pieces that blend timeless elegance and modern aesthetics, from intricately woven patterns to minimalistic charms. Each bracelet tells a story of artistry and style. Whether you are a fine jewelry lover or simply looking for a perfect accessory, our video showcases a curated collection that appeals to every taste and occasion. Join us as we explore the craftsmanship, materials, and inspirations behind these breathtaking bracelets, offering insights into their design and the skilled artisans who bring them to life. Dive into a visual feast of creativity and beauty where every bracelet is not just an accessory but a work of art waiting to adorn your wrist. I hope you like these beautiful designs. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.